So now we're on problems 3 through 5. Problem 3 says company A has experienced the following returns. In 2006, it's 10%. In 2007, 10%. 2008, negative 2%. 2009, 3%. How much would an investment of $100 made at the beginning of 2006 in company A be worth at the end of 2009? So on the left, we have problem 3. 2006, we have the percentages. So our starting value is 100 because it says $100 made. And our percentage in our formula equals our beginning value times, whoops, I accidentally pressed the wrong button. Okay. So that times 1 plus our return right there. So we get 110. Now we start with the end value for 2007 as our beginning. So 110. Our formula equals our beginning times 1 plus our return value. So we should get 121. Now 121, negative 2%, we can do, equals this times 1 plus negative 2%. And then 2009 is this number. Whoopsie. I made a mistake. Undo. All right. I'm going to redo this one. So 3%, okay. So 118.58. Our end value equals this times 1 plus our return percentage to get 122.137. That's the correct answer for problem 4. On the right, you have been asked to find the geometric average return for Jackson Distributors Incorporated. Given the following data, what is the geometric average return? Then it gives us the returns for years 2009 through 2012. I already wrote those on problem 4 on the left. So we know that this equals 1 plus our percentage, 90, that's like 96-ish, equals 1 plus our percentage, 1 plus our percentage, plus our percentage. So now what we're going to do is we're going to multiply these percentages together. So equals the product of all of these. Let me find my cursor. There we go. So we get 1.2136. Then we're going to raise this to the power of t. So equals and then we have this value to 1 over our periods. We have 4 periods, so we put a 4 in, enter 1.049, and then we subtract 1. So equals this value, subtract 1. So this is 4.96%, even though it's a 0.04. So for problem 5, your stock investments returned 8%, 12%, and negative 4% in consecutive years was the geometric return. So we're kind of doing the same thing as we're doing in problem 4. We have our years, we have our returns. So we're just adding 1 to our percentage, adding 1 to our percentage, and then adding 1 more to our percentage right here. Then we're going to do the same thing. We're going to multiply, raise, and then subtract 1. So equals the product of our returns plus 1, close the parenthesis, 1.16. And then for the raise, we do equals this value, raise it to 1 over 3 periods, because there's only 3 unlike problem 4. We get 1.051. And then our final thing that we need to do is to subtract 1. And then we get a number 5.11%.